Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our Tesla unit in 2017 Honda Civic. As you can see, the unit perfectly matched in the dash, and the climate control is out, so everything is touch screen right now. So basically, climate control, by touching the climate control, the menu pops out. You can control AC, heater, and heated seats. Those are the apps. You can use Google Maps, you can use Waze, any apps that you like, you can use it. And also radio is here. It reads some information from the OBD2. The steering wheel control fully compatible, and it reads the RPM and speed of the car. Navigation right now it's set on Google Maps. We can put offline maps in it too. It can play video. As I said, apps are all here too. You can see Google Maps and Gmail and Waze already there. You can have access to the cameras in the car, the blind spot camera without using the turn signal light. You can use the backup camera without going to reverse. And basically that's all about it. It retains all the factory features, and you get all those nice features on top of that too. And this is the radio. Again, it's fully touch. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can order them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.